Hi viewers, welcome back to once again my YouTube channel. I have told about TOBE IMPACTors. Joining was flooded with criticism. Unforgettable impactor TOBE content at 03 Hideki Takezawa IMP. Seven former impactors joined TOBE and appeared together on the live stream. Arata, Seto, Takuya, Kenjuma, Yoki, Yokohara, Kanade, Mastoi, Tega, Tobosuke, Sonsoke, Motoi, and Tega Suzuki, who have been active as John's just popular group Impactors, announced on the 14th. Former Vice President of John's office, Hideki Takezawa, 41, appeared on the live broadcast of the official YouTube channel of the new office TOBE launched by the company and announced that he would join the office. Thanks.